Hello everyone. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to apply for unemployment in Ohio. So it's very easy. You can file online anytime at unemployment.ohio.gov. This website right here, and you please zoom in, and you can see this one here. This you can apply 24/7, or you can apply by phone Monday to Friday between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. by calling 1877 Ohio Job. This right here. Or just this number. And before applying, make sure to have a social security number, a work history for the last 18 months, and bank info for direct deposit ready. And if you're hearing impaired, you can call TTY at 1-888-642-8203. And don't forget, you can reopen an old claim on the same site. And that's it. Just visit this link and start your application today.